and fail. Something didn't work. Don't. Let me make sure it's not that the steering wheel is too far. Because, you know, that happens too. Let's put it this way, where it goes. Uh-oh. Alright, well, we're taking her apart again. Because my key doesn't want to work. And I know this ignition was working. So, I missed something somewhere. One way to find it. Take it apart, see what it did. Kind of wonder if I put the wrong screw in it. You doofus. If I put the wrong screw in somewhere, and maybe it's too long and it's not allowing that lock cylinder to turn. Would kind of be my guess. Cooks out here again. And this will be a little easier to take off this time. Since it's been off once now. Come on now. Oh, come on, don't you do that. Careful, I don't want to break my windshield. Okay, so what we did wrong here. Take this screw out. See what happens. No, that's not it. That screw out. Something's definitely got her bound in here somewhere. She went back together pretty easy. It didn't fight me. What's going on with her? That's loose. That's loose. You know what you hook into now, that's easy. Alright. Alright. Oh, that's not it. Next needs the ignition to come out. Oh, there she went. Okay. Alright. We got everything going back together again. Alright. Oh, put this piece back in there. Oh, what that piece does. Some of the things. So we're going to check. Every time we put something on it, we're going to check to make sure that it's working. Sure not. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. That does not go there. That goes there. This goes in. Alright. Alright. We'll leave that on like that for now. Now, carefully get you put in there. Again. It's not that wire that was throwing me off. There's that. Maybe it just got to be broke in a little. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine now. Alright. Take this old fancy one here. You're going to go in right there. Okay. Now, let's see, where is that other piece? Yeah, we want that other one there. I'm pretty sure. Try that one in there. Let's just see what it does. think my key was just sliding out just a wee bit. And I think that's what was doing my damages there. Yeah. Maybe you the one for there. I don't think you're the one for there. So that theory was wrong. So I had all the screws in the right spot to start with. Alright. There's that one. And then put this one in. Alright, there's that. So now, there we go. It's a little tight, but gotta get broke in. And now we're gonna put this on here. Now I wonder, I should maybe try to pinch that together a little bit. So that fits a little smoothly than what it's trying to. Over that big part here that's hung up a little bit on me earlier. Bottomed out. All right. Okay. All right. Now. There. Now. Everything is there. All right. Oh, let's go ahead and put this on. Well, it's kind of easy access to do. What'd you do with my screwdriver? Huh? Oh, there it is. I see where you put it. I got it. Alright. Now. Yeah, I got my steering wheel just a wee bit off, but that's alright. I can live with it. Alright, now then right here on. Yep. Well, no worse as it came off of this. Oh, that didn't sound good, did it? There. Plastic broke. That burned it. Yeah, it should still be okay because everything's gonna. These two screws will hold the bottom in. If there ain't children watching, look away now. Okay, I'm back. Okay. There's the warm button. Alright. Alright. Let's hook this up. Right there. Very carefully. I already broke this stuff. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. I almost forgot something very important. You almost let me do it. Why did you do that? Put that little clip back in there. Somehow. So, let's get you out of the way before I break something here. See there. Oop. Let me get some tools up here in my lap. Okay. There we go. That's in there. Now we'll put all this back together. And alright. Have you upside down. You won't bolt on there if you're upside down. Let's see here. This and this little fella. to start. There's that. All right. Let's what do you say we fill that carburetor bowl up with some fuel and give her a little spin over. Let's go do that real quick. This camera over here. Ah. Right. And find somewhere to set the camera where everybody can see and where it's going to sit level. I guess I should turn it this way so you can see it, right? Now we're going to figure this whole thing out. There we go. I think that'll be all right. All right. Right there. That right there. And we'll need to hook that old battery back up there. All right, here we go.